Welcome back to another Farm Life. How y'all doing today? Today is a nice Sunday morning and I am on my Alice Chalmers C, just rolling the lawn with the roller, and I got 1 yard done and 3 yards to go. So I'm just going to be driving this and show you guys basically the tractor. This is made in, like, I think the late 40s, my dad said, when I was a kid. I asked this, I'm not sure, but anyway. Gotta get that ragweed there. Don't know if you can see it, but that's what I'm doing today. Gonna cultivate with that cultivator. Catch you guys later. Please like, comment, subscribe if you want to see some more farm life or whatever.